Hello and welcome to another video of Ekcel Academy. Now CS exams got postponed and there was a huge controversy related to that, especially with lot of students complaining. Now I have a question for you. So you can see this glass here. It is half empty or half full. Yes, you have heard this story from many people. So the negative people will tell it is only half empty. Positive people will say it is half full. Correct? Both are correct. It is all about the attitude which you have, and that is why I wanted to make this video. When the CS exams got postponed and it was rescheduled, many students started complaining and they said there is no time to study and it is very quick. They started complaining against ICSI. They told this is not fair. But let us analyze this properly, because this is about your attitude towards your life and attitude towards ICSI. ICSI is not just some small college or something. It is a statutory body under the Act of Parliament and it is a very responsible body. So if they postpone the exam, there must be some very good basis that it was safe enough to go for the exam. The only problem was, is it safe to go to exam and come back? So in most of the places, yes, there were lot of issues, there was lot of law and order problem across India, but if ICSI made the exam, which is till January 3rd, they postponed it and they rescheduled the dates till January 3rd, they would have assessed it. And I want you, every student of company secretary course, to understand few things. This is just not about CS exam postponement, this is our attitude towards ICSI. I know ICSI is not perfect. I am a member of ICSI and even I have so many complaints and suggestions for ICSI, but remember, in this issue you just think 1 minute, if you are the ICSI Central Council member and if you are the Central Council, just imagine suddenly exam had to be postponed because of the law and order problem. Now when they want to reschedule it, there are more than 75 centers where the exam is happening. Imagine coordinating with all these centers. It is not possible to postpone by 1 month or 2 months. It is impossible because you won't get the hall. There are a lot of administrative and logistics issues. So actually ICSI has done the analysis and made sure that yes, it is safe for student to go to the exam and come back. It is not impossible, and then they have rescheduled the exam. Now my thing is, I can't understand why students are crying and cribbing about it. End of the day, you got extra time to study. I know it is unexpected and it was because of the protest and so many other things were happening, but whatever it is, from your perspective, you got extra time to study. So you should not be complaining. There is no reason for you to complain even if they reschedule the exam with 1 day delay, because end of the day you got extra time to study. Even 1 minute extra time to study is good for you. Why are you even complaining? And ICSI is your body. You are a member of ICSI. Yes, now you are a student member. Tomorrow you will become an associate member and later maybe a fellow member. But end of the day, you are also part of ICSI and this is not the way to complain. Please don't take emotional decisions. This is what I want to suggest. Yes, the exam is over and all of that, but your attitude towards ICSI should be better. I am not saying don't question ICSI, don't criticize or don't tell that everything what ICSI is doing is correct. No, there are many times where we have to give suggestions, we have to criticize, we have to question ICSI, but by and large, let us be fair, they have done a very good job, and generally when we compare ICSI to other institutes, our results are very fair. Yes, we have to accept that. Our results are every year 25th February, 25th August, so perfect. We have other institutes where morning one result comes, evening one result comes. You have heard all these stories, correct? But our institute is really responsible, and this time it was not their mistake. It was a law and order problem in the whole of India and they had to postpone by few days, and they did a very good job, and the exams also have been completed successfully. So my request for every student of company secretary course is that please think in a very practical manner, please be mature and don't take emotional decisions. Tomorrow when you become a company secretary, there will be many situations where you have to decide, and in such a case you have to be very mature, and also you should take decision based on different facts and situations and not only on your emotions. and at this time I confidently say that ICSI had no option and they did their best. In fact, you got more time to study, whether it is 1 day, 2 day, you got more time. Don't complain, no, gap was 4 days before, now it is only 1 day, but end of the day you got more time to study. So as I told in the beginning, it's all about our attitude. So please remember that as a CS student, you should always say that the glass is always half full, and that will take you very high in your career of company secretary. I hope you liked it, and this is just a thought I really wanted to share. As a company secretary student, we are always there to help you in whatever you want, and the attitude is very important. That is why I shared this video. And for more such videos, please subscribe to Ekcel Academy, as you know, your one-step solution for the CS course.